All right, everybody. Sorry, I am on hold right now. So I will pause the recording if the person picks up, but I'm going to go ahead and talk to y'all about what we're doing today. Obviously, we're going to be starting with our independent reading for 10 minutes. Okay, so please make sure that you are writing down what page you are starting on and what page you stop on in your reading log, as well as making sure that you are updating your thought log. As always, your thought log is supposed to be about what you are thinking about, what you are while you are reading, not a summary of your book. Okay, we do not want a summary. We want your thoughts. All right. And once your 10 minutes is up, go ahead and go to the quick write section. Okay, go to the seed writing section of your writer's notebook. We're going to go to our quick write. Okay, so we're going to quick write Nat Geo Picks of the Year. Okay, so we'll click that. Choose a picture from Nat Geo's 2019 Picks of the Year and describe what you see in as much detail as you can. So you're going to click this link here, and you may have to create an account, but it is free. It is a free account, and you can use your school email to do it. You just have to type in an email address. Use your school email. Your school email is your student ID number at students.kdisd.org. So if it asks you to create an account, put in your email address for your student, your school email if you want to, okay? Or you pick a different email address, whatever, but I would pick my school one. All right, so click the link. I already created an account. Okay, get it's completely free. All right, so make this go away. All right, the best photos of 2019. So scroll through these, okay, and you're gonna pick a photo that you like, okay? So just scroll through all of them and choose one that you just particularly feel drawn to, okay? So once you look through all the photos, and it might take a minute, some of them are a little blurry at first, if you sit on it, okay, they will clear up. And once you've chosen a photo that you like, okay, then go ahead and I want you to describe what you see in as much detail as you can in 5 minutes, okay? So look through and then put 5 minutes on the clock. Remember, 3 to 5 minutes. We want to write for no less than 3. Try to stop yourselves around 5. Describe as much detail, describe what you see in as much detail as you can. Okay. Go on to the next activity once you're done with that. All right, once you finish that, you're going to go ahead and read House on Mango Street, pages 90 to 98. Your passage study is the vignette called Monkey Garden, which is pages 94 to 98. What we're focusing on is how she describes the monkey garden. Okay, so I'm going to go to 94. And I really want you to pay attention where she starts kind of, there were sunflowers, big as flowers on Mars, and thick coxcombs bleeding the deep red fringe of theater curtains. There were dizzy bees and bow-tied fruit flies, turning somersaults and humming in the air. Sweet, sweet peach trees, thorn roses and thistle pears, weeds like so many squinty-eyed stars, and brush that made your ankles itch and itch until you washed with soap and water. There were big green apples, hard as knees, and everywhere the sleepy smell of rotting wood, damp earth, and dusty hollyhocks, thick and perfumy like the blue blonde hair of the dead. Yellow spiders ran when we turned rocks over, and pale worms, blind and afraid of light, rolled over in their sleep. Poke a stick in the sandy soil, and a few blue-skinned beetles would appear. An avenue of ants, so many crusty ladybugs. This was a garden, a wonderful thing to look at in the spring. But bit by bit, after the monkey left, the garden began to take over itself. Flowers stopped obeying the little bricks that kept them from growing beyond their paths. Weeds mixed in. Dead cars appeared overnight like mushrooms. First one, then another, and then a pale blue pickup with the front windshield missing. Before you knew it, the monkey garden became filled with sleepy cars. So notice she uses lots of similes, metaphors, personification to describe the garden. So now I want you to return to your quick write about the Nat Geo picture and zoom in and slow down, okay? Try to incorporate similes, metaphors, and personification into your description. This is going to go in, you can either keep it in seed writing or you can put it in passage study. It's up to you now that you're kind of adding to it. Try to add similes, metaphors, personification, descriptive details to help lend imagery, right, to your description of your picture. Okay, we want to show, not tell. Okay, give yourself 5 to 7 minutes to get that done. Once you finish that, today's share is just to share your quick write with a partner or family member. And as always, please, please, please do not forget to take your attendance quiz so that way you are counted present for today. And that is all we're doing today. Okay, you guys have a wonderful Wednesday and we will see you on Thursday. Bye.